Alright, what's up guys? Lieutenant Ponzi here. So I wanted to kind of make a quick video for you guys and go over a few things. So I'm going to do the Arbitrum quick guide, and we're going to go over adding the Arbitrum network, bridge into Arbitrum if you already have ETH in your MetaMask on ERC20, and then also withdrawing from a SEX to Arbitrum, so any centralized exchange, and then also how to copy a contract ID for your tokens to copy it from like a DexScreener or something like that, where you can add it to SushiSwap or Uniswap or any of the other dexes that you're going to be using. So let's start with adding Arbitrum over into your wallets. So the first thing we're going to do, I actually didn't have it pulled up. Let me pull it up real quick. So you can just search how to add Arbitrum to your MetaMask. You want to go to the second one here on Watcher Guru and just scroll down. So the main thing you're going to want to do is you want to have this page. Once you have this picture, and I can post this as well for you, it'll be easy rolling from there. So you want to go up here, you want to open up your MetaMask. And what you're going to do here is you're going to go to the top here. You're going to hit Add Network. It's going to take you to a screen like this. And then you're going to go Add Network manually. So once you get to this page, you just want to go back here and make sure you copy and paste all of the data that's here, line by line, into this, and it will let you add your network in there. So after that, once you have your Arbitrum network added in there, you can actually go up here and you can switch in between Ethereum and your Arbitrum 1 network as well. So that's how you get Arbitrum added to your MetaMask to start. After that, you can do a couple things to add Ethereum to your MetaMask. Once you're on the Arbitrum 1, you can copy this code and you can go to your centralized exchange and withdraw your Ethereum from the centralized exchange directly to this wallet. But make sure when you withdraw it that your centralized exchange supports Arbitrum 1. So as long as it says you can withdraw Ethereum through Arbitrum, then you can withdraw it directly to this. If you can't and you need to just send regular Ethereum, so you go to your regular Ethereum and would just withdraw it that way, then you'd have to bridge it. So you would go to bridge.arbitrum.io. So this one here, take you to this page. This will pop up and you can go over here and you can basically just go from your ERC20 to your Arbitrum 1 network over here. So it'll let you bridge directly over to there. It takes about 15 minutes, but it'll move your funds over, and that'll be an easy way to get your Ethereum onto your MetaMask on Arbitrum. So once you have that all completed, that's when you can start looking at some of these coins and say there's one on there that you want to buy. A really good website I like to use is DexScreener.com. And when you go to the home page of DexScreener here, you can actually go to the left over here, and it's going to show you your Arbitrum network. So these are going to be all your coins on Arbitrum. You can also search them. So let's just use Grail for an example. So once you get Grail, this is how you can start buying these tokens. Once you have your Grail, you go down here on the right, and you want to see where it says Grail, and you want to copy this contract ID here. So once you copy that contract ID, you can go to your Uniswap and select the token and do it that way, or you can go to SushiSwap, which is this one, or you also have the Camelot Dex that you can do as well, and they already have some of these on here. So I'm just going to use SushiSwap for an example here. You can enter the app over here. Once you're here and connected, you can go down here. You can add your Grail in here and import Grail into it, and then follow those steps. And that's just copying and pasting that contract code that you had over there. So that's how you do that, and then you can hit switch. And if you need to, sometimes you can go up here and change your slippage. And some of these will require certain slippages depending on the market cap. So I usually say like 8 is still pretty high, but it's still a safe bet for some of these low caps. So just make sure you change your slippage too if it's not working, to make sure it'll work. But just go up one by one until you end up getting it. And that's how you're going to do your swaps. And you can do the same thing over here. You can select the tokens that you need here and go that way with it as well. And let's easy here. So I think I covered everything on this. If you guys do have any questions, feel free to reach out. It is pretty simple once you do get Arbitrum in. Make sure you just withdraw on the Arbitrum network and not the ERC20 network if you're copying and pasting that. And then from there, you can just go to your DexScreener, add the tokens in, or use the dexes on Arbitrum already and just swap